guys, welcome to Chef Vic, and today I want to show you guys how to cook and barbecue a nice delicious tri-tip roast. So let's get started with that, my friends. Nice and delicious. Let's go. Alright my friends, so we want to teach you how to trim this tri-tip up. I got a choice tri-tip, it's going to be delicious indeed. So we're going to do a reverse sear, so we're going to give it a nice smoke flare to a desired temp. We're going to try and hit close to medium rare to medium, and then take it off, let it rest, and then crank that barbecue up to give that beautiful caramelization onto the meat. It's smoky but yet delicious. So we're gonna trim this up. Excuse me if it's windy, it's kind of windy today, but it seems like a perfect day for a good old barbecue. So let's go. So we're gonna take off this little layer of fat off, any silver skin you see here. Kind of rotate the board. Okay, so I'm gonna eyeball this, but it's gonna be about half a cup of kosher salt, a full cup of black pepper coarse grind, about a tablespoon and a half of paprika, about 2 tablespoons of garlic granulated powder, same amount as onion powder. And I want to spice things up, so I'm going to give about a good teaspoon or so of cayenne pepper. A little windy today. Give that a good stir. Today we're using Dijon mustard. That's going to be the binder. It's going to give somewhat a little flavor to it. It's a little more bolder than your ballpark. Rub this down. Be generous a little bit. You can even thin it out with pickle juice if you want. So this is going to be, give it a good stir and season it all up. It's kind of hard with the wind. Make sure you get the sides. Good amount right there. See this right here. Just like that. Alright my friends, so let's start that barbecue up. We're gonna try and heat this guy up, and then we're gonna throw on the tri-tip. So right here my friends, this is the important part. We gotta raise it up at least to 295 to 300. Alright my friends, so we're gonna put this right here in the middle rack, kind of get close to the heat. I'm gonna put a thermometer right here, right towards the thickest part, like so. And then we're gonna try to reach for medium rare to medium for this roast to get the smoke. So we're rocking this pit for 300 for a good couple hours or so. Right now the temp is reading at 104, but I'm gonna spritz it so it doesn't dry out. There you go. There's a beautiful tri-tip right there. So you guys can zoom in on that. Right there. So I'm gonna spritz it. This is about 1/4 of a cup of worcestershire sauce, a little bit of water, and so I'm gonna spritz it a little bit, get it kind of moist, like so. Kind of hit the edges a little bit because you don't want to be too much, but I want the sweetness from the Worcestershire to be on there. It's gonna caramelize nicely. It's almost there. What's cool about this meat is that some parts are thinner than others, so you get your well done. In this case, there's some people you have at home likes well done, a little bit medium. So I'm gonna go a little more higher, probably medium and stuff like that. Hitting the fat too, so the fat renders down and this oozes over that meat. So we're gonna keep cooking for a couple more hours so it hits the desired temperature. What up? So tri-tip's cooking awesome today, and been cooking for a good while now, and it's reaching about 135 temp. So I'm gonna decide to put this in the foil, wrap it up, and it should carry over just in perfect temp where you want it. It's gonna be like closer to medium, meaning well, probably around that temp. But once we take it off, we've got to let it rest. Then meanwhile, get a fire cranking up so we grill it to get a nice, beautiful crust. But check out this tri-tip, my friends. Alright, friends, so we're gonna start cooking this bad boy up. I got a nice cold bed here, nice and hot. So we're gonna start off with the fat side down, and then we're gonna keep moving it around. So here you guys can see that. We're gonna do this some final spritz. See that lovely juiciness there. Wrap up this tight. Alright folks, and that was the tri-tip. Hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry that this videos are taking long, but I'm planning something cool, a new series. I ain't gonna tell you just yet, my friends. I know, be patient, but I'm working on a cool series I think we all gonna love, and something to do. I'm just gonna say do something with barbecue, of course, but it's gonna be cool. So I'm working on it, so sorry for all the delay of videos. Don't worry, I forget you guys, but I just want to thank you for your patience. Stay tuned because a new series will come your way, my friends. So again, thank you. So stay safe out there, my friends. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to hit that like, hit the subscribe button, and trust me, I'm working on new content, and it's gonna be coming out fiercely, fast as I can. Time to really pump out these videos, my friends. So again, see you guys next time.